Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect Lendingclub with Plaid-based apps. Plaid is the technology that powers secure connections between your bank accounts and thousands of financial apps, from budgeting tools to investment platforms. Since Lendingclub supports Plaid, you can easily link your accounts to apps like Venmo, Robinhood, YNAB, or Acorns for smoother financial management. To get started, all you got to do is open the app that you want to connect and then go to its linked bank or connect account option. And then when prompted to choose your bank, search for Lendingclub Bank. You will then be directed to a secured Plaid login screen where you can enter your Lendingclub's username and password. After authentication, Plaid will establish a secure read-only connection, meaning that the app can pull balances and transactions but cannot move money without your explicit permission. Depending on the app, you might be asked to select which specific account, whether it's checking, savings, or loans that you want to share. Once connected, your Lendingclub data updates automatically in the app, allowing you to budget, invest, or track spendings in real time without needing to manually upload transactions. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.